Getting pregnant and calculating your due date is easier than ever with the advances of modern technology. These days, you can get on the internet and input a few dates and know exactly when you should try to conceive and exactly when your baby will make his appearance in the world. Whether you are looking to plan your pregnancy around a specific event or you want to try and get pregnant a certain month so that your baby's birthday is in a certain month, a pregnancy calculator can help. This calculator is a great resource for pregnant women. What is a pregnancy calculator? This calculator is a calendar that helps you determine your baby's due date, when you are most likely to get pregnant, and when you can test for pregnancy for the most accurate results. This calculator is designed to make it easier for couples to begin a family. You can take the guesswork out of determining when you will ovulate and when to expect your next period. You can also get an accurate due date before you even make your first appointment with your obstetrician when you use this calculator. Why use this calculator? There are a number of reasons women use pregnancy calculators. Some of the most common reasons include planning your baby's due date and knowing when you will get pregnant. For example, if you want to start your family but you are the maid of honor in a wedding coming up at the beginning of April, you might want to plan your pregnancy around that so you don't miss the excitement. The calculator uses the first day of your last period to determine your due date if you were to get pregnant during that month. Essentially, if the first day of your last period was the first day of July, your baby would be due the first week of April. Knowing this will help you plan your pregnancy around your schedule. Perhaps you live in Florida and you have no desire to have an August due date, putting you in your last trimester at your biggest and heaviest in the heat of summer. Using a calculator will help you determine your due date during specific months so you can plan accordingly. Pregnancy calculators and fertility. Some pregnancy calculators offer the added benefit of helping you figure out when you are most fertile. By inputting the first day of your last period as well as the number of days in your cycle, the calculator can give you a rough idea of when you should most actively try to conceive. It will also tell you when you can expect a positive pregnancy test if you are pregnant. Knowing when you are most fertile can help you increase your chances of becoming pregnant. If you do become pregnant, your calculator will tell you exactly how far along you are on any given day, which will help you stay in tune with your pregnancy, what to expect at this time, and what's normal and abnormal. How does it work? A pregnancy calculator works only if you know specific information about your body. When you are able to provide the first day of your last period and the number of days in your cycle, the calculator is able to tell you how many days you are fertile, when your due date will be if you get pregnant now, and even when your due date and ovulation dates will be in subsequent months if you do not get pregnant this month. Pregnancy calculators are a great help to many pregnant women. They make the planning process simpler, removing some of the stress that accompanies trying to conceive, counting weeks, and knowing when to expect your period or a positive pregnancy test.